Welcome to the Threadify AI demo. This is the editor. Everything starts here in the Content tab. First, choose whether you want to create a thread series or a long-form post. Once you've made your choice, write down your content idea, for example, affiliate marketing versus AI, or any keyword you'd like to build around. Below that, you'll see the thread count. Choose how many slides you want and how many variations to generate. Next up are the styling options, where you can enable features like highlight important words, include emojis, and more. Then just hit Generate. Once it's done, you'll see a preview on the right side. You can switch between slides and even change the preview ratio between 9:16 and 16:9. Now let's move to the Profile tab. Here you can import your avatar, customize your profile layout, and even choose your ring color, just like on Instagram. You can decide whether to show or hide the profile, add your name, username, and verification badge, and adjust the avatar position. You can even save your profile details to reuse later. Lastly, we have the Style Lab. This is where you can customize your text and background colors, or even add an image background to your slides. You can also set a background for your text slides, and of course, control text size and position too. When everything looks perfect, you can copy slides one by one or copy all at once. Download individual slides or download them all together. Oh, and don't forget, there's an edit option right here. If something's missing, you can quickly fix it. For example, let me just add an emoji here, and that's how Threadify works. Now here's a pro tip. When you share your content on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, join groups in your niche. For example, mine is quotes. Once you're approved to join, start sharing your posts there. You'll get tons of traffic, views, and new followers. So what are you waiting for? Get access to Threadify AI now.